So today, I'm getting my wisdom tooth removed from the left side of my face. It's 1:45. My appointment is at 2:45. You have to arrive like 30 minutes early or whatever. We have to arrive 15 minutes early, and it takes 30 minutes to get there. So we're leaving at 2. But yeah, see you guys at the orthopedic place. Okay, guys. I'm taking my hair off. I feel barbed. You mad, bro? You mad? You mad? Why you move away?
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm recording you because you mad. You're mad. Now you want to act silly.
I'm not mad, I'm irritated.
A little bit.
I don't like it. I think that might be my personality type, so I think I'll sit in the corner.
Okay. Go sit in the corner. She was right here. She moved all the way down there because she's mad. Well, we gonna let her do her. But I ain't get my mouth yanked out today. My whole mouth, like the whole.
They was only gonna take out 2.
They was only supposed to take out 1 at first, and now it's 2. So, but yeah. Tomorrow it is, because I gotta go under anesthesia. And they can't do that for me today. So day 2. What did I tell them yesterday? Not enough, probably. So he said he'd squeeze me in today at 11. And it's 10. I'm about to start crying. How you gonna be sick? You supposed to be taking care of me?
I don't know. That's why I'm so disturbed.
Coco gonna have to take care of both of us.
And I gotta take the grandma to the doctor
Tomorrow. So are you even going to work this week?
That's what I said. Throw the whole week away. Throw it over. Which side was under? That side? What side did you go in for? Which side was under? That side? That side is fatter. Stop crying! It's okay. It's normal. So I can come get you. You want to a little bit? Oh, girl, please. Wow! They poked you more than once? Oh. It hurt? You went right to sleep? Was you confused when you woke up? Like, why I can't open my mouth and talk? Everybody. But everybody doesn't make such a big event out of it here. You can take them out. Really? You only have to use your finger.
You can't do it.
No! I don't want to stick my finger in your mouth.
Why you do it?
It's just gauze. It's just something sitting on top of your tooth. It's nothing major.
I'm singing songs.
Singing songs.
Singing songs.
This is high syllable. Not as in hello, as in this is your brain on drugs.
Ooh. No, he's still
See,
fat.
now they not so fat.
No, it's still fat. No, look, I got lip injections.
Lip who?
Injections.
Injections.
I got my Kylie Jenner on the bottom. And my
Kylie Jenner's? What?
what am I supposed to do?
This is
Hey, boy, I want to eat blood.
it's in your mouth anyway. You're gonna eat it anyway. Okay, I'm about to eat it. You want some up? You gotta eat something.
Oh, my tail. Sweet.
potato.
I want macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Mashed potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
With marshmallows.
With marshmallows. You want the whole Boston Market side menu.
This is Josh. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, you not talking.
No, I can swallow. Ramen, I can swallow. Look at the edge of my mouth. Oh my God, it's hurting. Mom, come back, come back, come back. Oh my God, no.
Probably how I got sick. I'm making myself dizzy walking in circles.
Stop doing it.
You should, after you eat, dab your mouth.
Damn. What about my lip gloss stuff? That's
Don't
gonna
worry
go
about that.
away.
You can put some more.
Then my lip look nasty. You can't be calling my lip look nasty.
You're not going anywhere.
So? Dum. No, you sit down somewhere.
I can't. I'm behind. People are touching me and leaving me in the dust. And I'm never going to eat.
My mouth hurts. How does this ice cream then what?
Okay, you take your mask.
I started for the instructions. You should have gave them to me.
You're not in it.
You lost the instructions? You lost the instructions? You lost my instructions?
No. The saliva will be tinged with blood for 24 to 48 hours.
My son, what?
You're going to have blood in your saliva.
What's nasty?
Dude.
Oh! How can I spit? I'm supposed to go down my mouth.
Dab it with the gauze.
Grab it with the gauze. You can't believe they did it to me. I don't want to do it.
You talking to
What's in my life vicariously?
Sure. It's only going to be a few days.
I have a life.
No. You don't.
Banana? Banana?
Banana.
Banana?
As long as you don't try to shoot.
I'm just... Try to eat like a child. Let's go get me towel. Uh-huh. I give up. I gotta go. I can't be doing this bottle stuff anymore. Y'all guys just mind your business. You know what I'm saying? What is it? This is stupid. And this is your ice pack on my lips. My lip
Your lips didn't have surgery.
What? I'm about to market though. What? You told me you didn't go about the market and you lied to me. I can't believe you treated me this way. Time is now 11:19 p.m. and I just have to say, like, I feel so much better. Earlier, like at 2, whatever time I started, I just felt so horrible. Like, I literally just cried for no reason. My mouth was like bleeding excessively. My whole face was numb, like my lips were numb, my chin was numb, like my face was not numb anymore. I don't feel any pain really. I wish like y'all could be there. Like when I got out of like the chair or whatever. Wait, okay, so I had my phone in my hand, right? I started texting my boyfriend. I was literally texting him gibberish. Like I would put the screenshot when I was texting him right here. Gibberish, like it was non-recognizable. I didn't even know what I was talking about. But yeah, my mom took my phone and then I started using my Apple Watch to text him. It was just so funny. But I'm gonna be watching season 2 of Insecure until I fall asleep. So my boyfriend texts me, whatever. But that is it for this day. Good night, guys.
Are you holding your breath? Are you like puffing your cheeks? It's just swollen?
Yes.
Maybe if you just like contoured it on that side, it won't be so big. But people who are chubby can make their face look skinnier.
Well, I would have to do some advanced contour shit because both of my face, like it's not the same on both sides.
Right, so you gotta do a little extra on that side, a little less on the other side.
So, okay, so are you gonna start your makeup kit now? Or?
Doubt it. I wasted all my money. Catch me tomorrow.
What did you waste all your money?
Clothes.
I'm in a position of power. She said, do you love me? I tell her, my bed and my money. I'm so.
Hi guys, it's me, Des. I know you guys always ask. Huh? Yeah. I know you guys always ask for me in the comments, so I'm here. Hey.
The only person that asks for you.
What are we doing today, dude?
We are gonna go shopping. Low key. Not bad, that's it.
Yeah.
Like the
Like the what, dude?
black. You know how people like take mirror pictures? Yeah, we about to go take hella mirror pictures.
Right. This is a great day, you think?
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm here. I'm the photographer for the day. Hey.
Go ahead. Go off.
I'm gonna be the videographer for the day. Wish me luck. Maybe
Give me more luck.
maybe I get some good shots for her.
Wait, let's do an update.
Sure.
Do an update. Okay, so how many days has it been?
How many days for what?
How many days has it been since Tuesday? It's Thursday?
Yeah.
So it's been 2 daes, right? Got my wisdom tooth put out 2 days ago. My freaking, what is this? What's this called? My chin?
Your jaw?
Fat as hell. Shorty, fat. Thick.
Thick as hell, slim thick.
Like my face looks like somebody punched me in my jaw and like went away.
Right.
I don't know what's going on, but I've been trying to hide it in my hair, my jacket, all that. It ain't been working.
No.
But yeah, day 2 after getting my wisdom tooth pulled.
Right.
That's it. That's the end of the update though.
Okay.
Like SpongeBob.
Yeah. That's dope.
Loop-de-loop. And you do brass. Oh, that's it. Easy.
I got you.
Got to see.
I got you.
Go here.
We can.
Here's my little.
You tried it.
Excuse me.
You're excused. Hi. Alright, hey guys, I'm going to tell you guys a story that happened in my personal finance class. So, basically, my professor... No. So basically, we're learning this thing about cash flow and how we can use our calculators to calculate how to measure cash flow. Okay, so Robert Morris, the school I go to, we're predominantly like a Casio calculator school, but most of the people in Robert Morris has the TI. Right? I have the TI 84. And so she goes to start teaching us this lesson, and the first thing she says is that, well, I don't know how to use the TI, so I'm not teaching the TIs how to do this portion. You guys have to figure that out yourself. I said, aren't you the professor? Like, aren't you getting paid? Isn't this a part of your salary teaching us? All we need to know. She was like, well, I just never learned. We're a Casio school, X, Y, and Z. And I'm looking like, you're our teacher. Like, it doesn't make sense. And then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just drop it. I'm gonna Google it later. So then like a couple days later, I guess like in the class, all we do is talk. Like no one listens to the professor. And so, no one listens to the professor. So she goes, are you guys gonna stop talking? Like, can you guys hear me talk to you? I said, you're not saying anything. She goes, excuse me? I said, what I'm saying to you is, you're not teaching us what we need to learn. Obviously we have questions, so we have to ask each other because you're not teaching us. And then she's like, oh, we couldn't win. But she's like, but she was like, no, she goes, you're being disrespectful, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you're a terrible teacher. You're garbage. And that's how I went off at her. And she started actually teaching the class like she cared. So that's my 2-minute story. Hopefully when I watch this vlog, I see it in here. If I don't, I hate you. Okay, anything else? No, you have anything to say? You have anything to say about my story? I never hated myself more than right now.
Ours pink.
No, the reason why is because they're doing construction still.
I see renovation.
What are we doing today? What are we back at the UC for?
I suggest everybody else. My name's too.
That's our floor theme. What kind of forever it is. They said, what were they saying? I can't remember. It was like. That's funny.
Good morning. What time is it? Like 5? Good morning, guys.
It is 4.
It's 4 something, and Ness and I just went to Starbucks.
You need a straw. You do. Good for you. Well, when you start sipping, you can drink out of it. Give a better friend. You know, see that it's fine.
A sippy cup stop.
I said, do you got one of those cups where you can drink like this?
We need that before you go.
So I can't like drink it out of a straw, so I have to drink it out of that. But we just went to see my mom, drop all my stuff off. You mix mine.
So where did
Yeah, my macchiato tasted like straight like I was eating the coffee out of the filter, like munching on. It's called filter coffee. Tell the world what we're doing.
I went to Corner Bakery, got some of their bread and butter. I got a venti, caramel latte, iced caramel latte, 8 ounce caramel syrup, almond milk with a little bit of caramel drizzle. And right now we're just chilling.
We're chilling.